How to get a new key from Mul-T-lock via to M2 TANK CNC key cutting machine. Turn on the machine at first. This is Mul-T-lock. It says do not duplicate. Here is a card that there are letters and numbers on it. We'll get a new key via these letters and numbers. First of all, connect the machine by Bluetooth. The next step, enter the key database. Click Residential key. Select Mul-T-lock. This key is MTK2P. Click Continue. These letters are key numbers. Input DABSC into application. These numbers are also key numbers. Click B. Go on Continue. Input these numbers on applications 2. 51313. Input all information already. Click A. Here is guide picture. Click Continue. Click Cut. Application says, please install the cutter W and probe 0.5 millimeters. Click Change. Install the cutter depending on the guide. Insert the cutter W into the top. Pay attention to 2 screws. Probe is also inserted into the top. If it's ready, click OK. Application says, please loosen the screws and let the probe touch the platform. Click OK. Click OK again. All is ready. Install key blank on the clamp. Click Cut. Continue. We already finished both sides. And now we click B, the other cutting. In the same way, install the key on the clamp again. Click Continue. Click Cut. Here application says, please change it into cutter U. Click Change. In the same way, please insert the cutter into the top. If it's ready, please click OK. Same way, loosen the screw and let the probe touch the platform. If it's ready, click OK. Click OK again. Install the unfinished key on the clamp again. Finally, click Cut. Click Continue.